So as you can see, we're dressed in layers because guess what? It's the first day of snow in New York today.
And we're gonna take you there.
Would you look at that?
We've no place to go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
New York are the greatest people in the world. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! I want that tree. Can we have that Christmas tree right there? Not this ones and not this ones. I want that one. This one. I like this. Is this Christmas tree for sale?
For sale?
Yes! $5.99!
You want to start here? Okay. Oh, this kind of car?
Easy mode.
So this is funny that it just doesn't like snow.
Kinda. It's like, I don't know. We'll see. It's like avoiding everything.
Avoiding nothing actually because it's snowing and it thinks that snow is an obstacle, right? So what was it saying on the screen?
Obstacle. It's like the thing is doing it.
And that's why it was beeping so
Yeah.
hysterically.
It will show the 3 meters, whatever. Like 3 meters, the snow is in front of you. What do I mean 3 meters? So it's doing that kind of. There's an obstacle 3 meters ahead, wherein it's a snow falling. So I don't know why it's doing that.
So it was like flying in leaps and bounds. It was like a froggy jump and stand and jump and stand.
Yeah, it doesn't say anything else except for that. So there you go. Tried it, and apparently we have a little bit of footage, but we'll see how it's gonna go. That's a nice research. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions or suggestions, please comment below. That's all for now, and see you in the next episode of Catzy Louie Doo.